So when I see this question, I hate the way it's laid out, because when I'm looking at my standard trig identities and things like that, 1 minus sine x is the worst. 1 minus sine x isn't anything, and it looks like it should be something, and it isn't. So the first thing I'm going to do, out of essentially sheer anger, is split up the numerator like this. Because I know I can do that, I'm just unsubtracting my fractions. And I know that in this current form, it's not useful at all. As it is now, that's not an identity, and I can't do anything with the denominator yet because it's got 2 bits in the numerator. So I'm going to split it up so I can deal with it properly. When I get to here, I notice I've got 1 over a trig function. With 1 over a trig function, that lets me then go, aha, that is just a trig function. So I'm going to write that. Thankfully, if I look at my list of standard integrations, that's actually on there. But as soon as I see 1 over a trig function, I will write it as that trig function. Then, when I look at this part, well, I look at this and it looks like tan, except a bit off. So I want to turn this into tan, but I can't as it is. So I'm going to write it as 1 over cos x multiplied by sine x over cos x, because that way, now I've got my tan times something. So now I can actually go for it. So again, getting my standard integral thing, that one's fine, that one's chill. 1 over cos x is sec x. Sine over cos x is tan x. And then from this point, these are both in my standard integral list, so I can just integrate them and plus c it.